はい。
はい、じゃあ次の説明をします。
The next explanation.
軽く開いて。
Open your feet, your shoulder width, lightly standing.
で、さっきのこの辺り全体は
The condition of your body should be the same after you do the breathing exercise. The posture that you build with the breathing exercise you maintain at all time
深呼吸でこうできたこの姿勢。
and create the same posture and maintain the same posture that you build with Shinkokyu exercise.
そして、
And then, first,
両方を出します。
you extend out both hands.
出すためには、
And in order to extend out,
この小指、
you extend out starting with your pinky.
まずこう出していきます。
First with pinky,
次は、
and then
人差し指
with
と
pointing finger and thumb, you extend out.
出したら、この2つが広がっていくように。
Starting with the pinkies, and then turn with pointing finger and thumb.
で、この上上がった状態というのは、
はい。
この動きは
This movement of hand, for example, with yokomen,
悪いやり方でただこう上げるだけだったら
first will show the bad example. If you raise your hand without any
こういう
preparation,
ふうにして
then
当たってきます。
and then you end up receiving an attack with bad example
こうやって当たってきます。
like this.
で、これを正しく
But
こう出
if
す
you
と
extend out with the correct way that he explained first, with pinky and thumb and pointing
当たら
fingers,
ずに滑っ
and
てきます。
the yokomen will slide.
こうやってすっと滑って落ちて
Like this will be sliding away.
強く打ってくる。で、ここでこれがこうやって滑ってくる。でも悪いと
But if you do it in a posture in a bad way,
ドンとぶつかって
then you'll be receiving like
もう
this.
一回します。
Again,
でそう
like
しない
this
で
is not good. So for that you have to extend out with a way, correct way, then the yokomen will slide.
技に
Then you'll be able to continue. はい。
これもやり方はさっきと同じですけど、今のやり方は上手じゃないので、
So this is the same exercise, but if you do not do it good enough, then if somebody places the hand, you will not be able to raise the hand. But with the posture that you build with the Shinkokyu exercise, extend out with your spine and whole body, and extend out starting with your pinkies, then you'll be able to raise the hand.
今ずいぶんそんな無理してるから一旦下げて、
Again, open your chest, relax, extend out your posture, allow your fingers to extend out from your
前
pinkies.
にからここから始めてしまう
But if you pull posture too much and forward and force to rise, you will not be able to raise the hand.